We're going to make an origami flapping crane today. First thing you're going to do is turn your paper to the white side if you're two-sided and a diamond. Go up to the middle. Take your thumb straight down and out to the side. That'll help you get a nice even crease. Now open it up to the middle. Once you line it up, go to the middle and out. So we've made our two triangles. Now we're going to make a square. I'm going to turn my point down and I'm going to pick this up, and I'm just going to take my finger and run it along that line that I've already made. And now I'm going to kind of gently push this down, line it up with the point, pinch at the top, and go down on each side. And I'm going to flip it to do the same thing. So I'm going to lift, put my finger in there, and just kind of slide it down that crease. Now just gently push your paper down, line up the edges there, crease that middle top, go out to the sides. Now we're going to take this bottom half up and make a little triangle here. One on that side and one right next to him. Flip it over and repeat. And these are folds we're actually going to take apart in a minute. You could have gone ahead and unfolded those. Open that. Now I'm going to take one of these, fold it down. Okay, I'm going to reopen this. And now here's kind of the trickiest part. I think it helps me to turn it on the side. But we're going to open this and kind of coax those two folds. And then once you have done that, we're going to make a nice fold here and hopefully here. Flip it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this down on this side and make a crease there before I open this side. And it does take some coaxing. There we go. So at this point you have the split down here, but what we're going to do is fold this one in half, flip it, and fold this one in half. And then you're going to end up with the kind of split up here. We're going to take the bottom, fold it up, flip it, fold it up. Now you have these little legs sandwiched inside on this side. So I'm going to pull that out until the neck kind of lines up. This kind of lines up with this part, and fold that. Do the same thing on this side. Give it a nice good crease. Now pick whichever side looks the best for your head. I'm thinking this one. So I'm going to put my finger in here and just give him a little pat. Oh, he's so cute. Pat his little head down. And then give him a little pinch. There we go. And then to make him flap, there we go. I'm just gonna pull straight out. So cute. So I hope you have fun making as many little flapping cranes as your heart delights. Bye.